Brian from Expressions Entertainment here, and on today's episode of Expressions TV, we're giving details on the Westman Grooms Only Workshop, which is a free video workshop that's going to go live April 30th. Details are next. Let's face it, guys typically have no idea of what to do when it comes to a wedding, other than to propose, show up on the wedding day, and to try to not get in the way. For the future brides watching this, I'll let you in on a secret. Most guys really do want to help. They really actually want to do more, but they're guys. They have no idea. This is where this workshop really turns it around for them. The 11th edition of the Westman Grooms Only Workshop is scheduled for Thursday, April 30th, 2020, and it's going to go live via Zoom at 7 o'clock. It's the first time it's going online, and it's going to be by invite only. As a rule, for all the grooms we specifically work with at Expressions Entertainment, it's free for them and any other entourage that they want to bring with them. Anyone else is usually subject to a $20 per person admission fee. Now, due to issues thanks to COVID-19, we understand that this is a really hard time to plan a wedding, and to help ease some of the stress, we're actually waiving that fee for those who are not booked with us, with Expressions. It's 100% free. Basically, if you're a groom and you want to shine on your wedding day, this one is for you. The key, all must be pre-registered. This way we can make sure that we can actually fit everyone in. There's a max number of seats available through the call, so the sooner everyone is signed up, the less chance they will be turned away. Here's the basics of the workshop. This is one evening of guys figuring out weddings and going over what to expect. Guys are going to find out what a groom can do to score some points with their fiance. Come on, guys, you all want points, right? Absolutely. There's going to be some ideas on how the grooms can shine in the eyes of their guests. And, of course, secrets of what guys can do to absolutely rock it with their fiancé regarding wedding planning, all the anticipation, and the day itself. The only catch? Only guys are allowed. Each groom is allowed to bring their crew, whatever. Groomsmen, buddies, dads, doesn't matter. You do not want to miss this night, guys. Just showing up is going to score you some points. But if you're a bride, a bridesmaid, maybe a mom, sorry, this one isn't for you. The 11th edition of the Westman Grooms Only Workshop is scheduled for Thursday, April 30th. Get signed up now. Contact me, Brian. Direct message me, Facebook message, email, whatever. You can text or call me too at 204-761-5652. Guys, it's time to shine.